StringBuffer and StringBuilder in Java. In this demonstration, we are going to discuss StringBuffer and StringBuilder class objects. At first, we are dealing with the StringBuffer. So here you can find that one StringBuffer object, class object has been defined, that is SBuffer, which has been instantiated with this constructor here. And the default capacity of this SBuffer will be 16 here. So let us go for the execution. You can find that when you are printing this SBuffer.capacity, we are getting here 16. This SBuffer is now instantiated with the StringBuffer constructor, and here we are setting the capacity directly as 50 here. As a result of that, when you are setting that one, so it is having the capacity 50. So now again we are defining this SBuffer with this StringBuffer constructor, and here we are passing one string as input argument. Then what will happen? The 16 plus the length of the string will be the total buffer capacity. What is the length of the string? If you go on counting, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15 characters are there plus 16. So you are expecting the capacity would become 31 here. And here we are printing the SBuffer directly. So SBuffer has got printed, that is my string buffer. Next, we are dealing with the string builder objects. So string builder SBuilder is equal to new string builder my string builder. So this is a string which will initialize this SBuilder. So if you print this SBuilder now, this object, if you print, then it is printing my string builder. Next one is that with this SBuffer we are appending a new string. With this SBuffer we are appending a new string here. So and also with this SBuilder object we are appending another new string. So here we are mentioning one method. That method is known as the append, which is public return StringBuffer object, and then its name of the method is append, and it takes a string class object as input argument. Everything has been mentioned here. So now after doing this append operation, then what is the net outcome? You can find that the pre-existing content is surviving. The pre-existing content is up to this part, and the new content has got appended at the end, and similar thing has taken place in case of string builder class objects also. Next, we are initializing this SBuffer and SBuilder with a new string. So there is one string, that is another string. So SBuffer.insert 5 PQRST. So what is the outcome here? You can find that it is producing the outcome, that is AABCA, then PQRST, then BBC. Why it is so? Because 0 1 2 3 4. So after this fourth, the fifth position, at the fifth position this PQRST will get inserted, and then BBC will be there at the end. You can find that we are having the same thing. So 0 1 2 3 4, then at the fifth place PQRST has got inserted, and the remaining part of this SBuffer is there. Next, in case of string builder, if we do the insertion here, that is at the third place we are inserting X Y Z. So what is happening in this case? So 0 1 2, then at the third place XYZ has got inserted, and the remaining part of this SBuffer is still there. Next, we are going for the reverse. So SBuffer.reverse and SBuilder.reverse. So this particular reverse method will actually reverse the content of this string builder and string buffer objects. So you can find that the reverse is obtaining has been printed, and reverse of this current content has got printed here. So in this demonstration we have discussed how to deal with the string buffer and string builder class objects, and what are the different necessary methods for whatever we can use in our coding for storing our string in a certain better way.